Well, millions of women have them, and now the Food and Drug Administration hoping that to make them a little safer.
We are talking about breast implants. The FDA asking the company Allergan to recall its BioCell textured breast implants and tissue expanders. Allergan agreeing. Doctors now directed to stop using them and return leftover inventory.
WATE 6 on your side reporter Blake Stevens looking into why, and he joins us now here in the studio.
So Blake, what did you find out?
Well, guys, the FDA has been looking into a link between a specific implant and a specific form of cancer for a while now. But let's start here with this. There are two types of implants. This is a smooth and this is a textured implant. The FDA has specifically been looking at textured implants, and they're linked to ALCL, a type of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, which is a cancer of the immune system. The FDA asking for the recall after finding 116 new cases of ALCL since its last update in February. This bringing the total number of ALCL cases linked to breast implants to 573. The number of deaths sitting at 33. Now, 481 of those cases are reported in people with the implants that have now been recalled. The FDA did the math, finding that implant carries 6 times the risk of those other textured implants. Now, it's important to know textured implants make up 10% of the implants in the United States. Allergan implants and other Allergan-like implants make up fewer than 5%. Now, I confirmed with a source today just one surgeon in our area has used them. Now, if you think you could have this type of implant, the biggest piece of advice is don't panic. In February, the FDA saying the ALCL risk is 1 in 3,818 to 1 in 30,000 for women with textured breast implants. But ALCL can be serious, even deadly, especially if it's not diagnosed early or treated quickly. Now, here's what you need to know if you're concerned with these numbers. First, it's good to know who made your implant and what the model is. The FDA is not recommending you remove them because of that low ALCL risk. Now, if you have questions, of course, talk to your doctor. And guys, another big piece of information here, know your body. That advice, look out for any swelling or any pain near the implant area, and be sure to monitor any changes. And guys, it's important to know that ALCL can happen many years after those implants are placed.
That's good to know.
A lot of good information. Blake, thank you so much. And this does affect a lot of women. Blake found out 300,000 women a year get breast implants.
As a matter of fact, a third of those women are actually having reconstructive surgery following cancer.